What is going on, everybody? I am back with another video, man. Sorry that I have been delaying these videos, man. It's been a crazy couple weeks, just dealing with school, work, something else. I just can't think of it. But look, you guys seen the title, seen the thumbnail, seen the description. I'm actually going to show you guys exactly how I put on my tire stickers. I'm only going to do one tire because last weekend I kind of got too crazy driving and I kind of messed up the tire stickers because I think it was just the placement on the tires. So they kind of got all messed up, they came off, whatever. So I had to take them off and I had to order me some more. So I'm actually going to show you guys exactly how I put these on. So I got my tire stickers that I reordered. I got gloves. I got the acetone. I got the tire sticker glue that they sent you. I got some towels. I got an iPhone charger, piece of paper right here. So I got everything that I need to do this. So I'm going to set my camera down and I'm going to get this video started. So let's go. So first thing I want to do is clean the wheel with acetone. I'm not worried about this stuff getting on my hand. I used to work with this stuff at a couple of my jobs and stuff like that. All it does is just dry your hands off. So first thing I want to do is just dump a little bit of this shit on there like that. Yeah, just like that. Dump it, you know. So look, it's on my hands. It's just going to dry it out. See? But you just really want to clean the wheels, get all the dirt and stuff off, and just pretty much go around, get all the dirt and stuff. This is exactly the way that they tell you how to do it, but I'm just doing it the nigga way. You know what I mean? I'm doing it the hood way. So, you know, but I'm doing everything that they tell you to do in a legit tire sticker video. But obviously, I can't take the wheel off right now. So this is all I'm doing. I'm just going around. Make sure I get all the dirt and stuff up. Do it a couple times. So just to see if I got everything, I'm going to use a clean rag to see how much dirt's left over. So just a little bit. So I'm gonna go over it one more time. So now I'm actually leaning in my car, but I get the gloves. I will need more acetone because I have to clean the back of the letters, and then I will use the glue to put them on there. So that is the next step. So now you see I got the lettering right here. I have on gloves, so I'm going to just get a little bit of acetone. Just you know, let me just put it on there like that, just clean them as such. Just go make sure there's nothing sticking on these letters, whatever, any dirt, you know, get a little bit more, and then just go. It's this simple. I think the hardest part is just lining it up, finding some, like, the exact spot on each tire. But yeah, this is it. So now next step is just, they recommend, if you watch the actual video from Tire Stickers, I'm doing everything they say. I'm just doing it the hood way, you know, the nigga way, you know what I mean? So with that being said, you know, I'm just all you got to do now is just, they recommend that you glue 2 to 3 letters at a time, and then once you have those pressed on there for 60 seconds, then you peel back the other side and you glue those and you press those on for 60 seconds, and it's good to go. And you just have to wait an hour after you put them on before you can dry the car. So let me show you how much glue I put on there and all that good stuff. I know some of y'all be wondering, oh my god, how come we don't have any music in his videos? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Well, maybe one day. So let me just see if I can see that. So I'm just gonna I usually do 3 letters at a time. So boom, see that? That's how it looks. Now I'm going to press these on at the same time, hold them for 60 seconds, and now I am going to peel these back and then do the same thing. You got to see what I'm talking about. So let me mount this camera over there. Stay tuned. So one thing they say is there's really no rush because this stuff takes 7 minutes to actually air dry. So you got plenty of time to line it up and make sure it's good to go. So let me tilt this up a little bit. Where you put this shit? Oh man, what the hell? There we go. Hopefully that works. Now let me show you guys. Nice and easy. Now you hold it, you press it for 60 seconds. So this is what I'm going to do. Just hold it on there for 60 seconds. And then peel back the other side, clean the other side with acetone one more time, and then do the same thing. Apply the glue that they give you, and yeah, so this is pretty much it, man. I hope y'all can see me. I look like a damn unlocked character in a video game, man. I look so damn black. But look, let me show y'all real quick. So that's on there. So now what I'm gonna do is peel it back like that, glue it on there, and then press it. But just, you know, I'll just go over it like that one more time. This stuff is pretty easy, man. It's not that hard. Just take your time, line it up, and you'll be good to go. So I'll just give it a couple smacks like I mean, that's a couple like that, baby. One more one, just like that, and it definitely should be good to go. Actually, I forgot. I gotta clean them one more time with acetone. But listen, this would be so much easier if you guys just take off the tires and just lay the tires flat and just do it that way. But the way I'm doing it, yeah, it's gonna be a lot harder. So now I'm just going to apply it one more time. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Make sure it's all good to go. And boom. Just like that. Now I'm going to press it down. Hold it. like that. But the most important part is giving it a couple slaps, you know, a couple slaps, like you slapping an ass or something, you know what I mean? So, shit, my damn glove is stuck to the tire because some adhesive glue seeped out. So make sure you press firmly. So if you, on average, one tire alone takes about 45 minutes maybe to do. So but I still got the 2SS I gotta put on here. So this is just Camaro. I gotta put the 2SS on here. So I gotta do this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So yeah, it takes a lot of patience, and that's why last time it took me like almost 4 hours, like 3.5 hours to do. I was losing my mind out here. It's going crazy, y'all. It's going crazy out here. It's going crazy. So that's good. That's good. You can see. So you can see this now, how that's on there. And this just comes right off. So I'll show you. That just peels right off. Like that. And boom. So I'll actually leave that on there. If you can see, there's still a little bit of plastic on there that you have to peel off right there. But yeah, so let me get the rest of this done. I feel like I'm missing something. So, but after, if you have like glue, whatever seeping, just use acetone and clean around the letters, whatever. It's not going to destroy the tires. I mean the tires, or there's tire stickers, obviously. So, but yeah. So let me apply the 2SS now. All right, so here we go with this not focusing stuff. So real quick, y'all, so I still got my gloves on, whatever. I got really hot out there, so I just wanted to come in here real quick. I just applied the 2SS part of the tire stickers now, but I just want to just run through the process. All you have to do is just clean the tires really well with acetone until they're pretty much dirt free. Use a clean rag after the acetone. Want to make sure that it's really no dirt left on the tires. And then after that, you get the tire stickers. You clean the back of the tire stickers with acetone, the lettering, and you apply the glue, adhesive glue that they give you, but they recommend that you wear gloves during that process just to keep like oils and dirt and all that stuff off the back of the tire stick, the lettering. So after that, what you want to do is they recommend that you do 2 to 3 letters at a time, not the full thing. So you make sure that you find the right spot on your tires to line it up. You don't want to cover up anything important and all that stuff on the tire. So find a good spot. You apply the 2 to 3 that you glued the first time. Hold those for 60 seconds. And once you hold that for 60 seconds, you peel back the other part. You glue those. And well, you can clean them again if you so choose. And then you apply that for 60 seconds. And that's pretty much it. So then you go around the lettering with acetone, clean any extra glue and stuff that seeped out, or just whatever. And then you peel them all off, and well, you peel off the plastic that came on the tire stickers, and that's pretty much it. You can't drive for an hour. So let me get back out here and let me finish this up. So yeah, I just want to come in here, man. I'm sweating, man. So let me just get out there and why am I so awkward sometimes? Let me just get back out there. I'm out. Let me go. How do I turn this off? All right, so here you have it. I got them on there. Now my next step is to just go around, clean the outer edges with acetone, and get all the extra glue and stuff. But as you can see, let me show you guys this real quick. Peel nice and slow. Let me see what's going on here. Now peel that on there just like that. This was kind of still a little bit loose, so I'm just gonna just press it down a little bit longer. But yeah, so see what happens right there. Prime example. So I'll just get some acetone, clean around them. That should come right off. But that's all I got for this video. Hope you guys, you know, enjoyed it. That's pretty much all I got, man. I know I've been away for a little bit, so I decided to come do this little quick. Well, I don't know if it's quick. This might be like a 10-minute video. So, but you see how they look. And now I just let them sit for an hour and be done with them. So put it on me for a second. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, comment, subscribe. You know, I'm almost at 300, so get me there on the road to 1,000. So thank you. Trying to think. Yeah, so use this video, I guess, if you're looking to get tire stickers. Oh, by the way, these are, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you go back and watch my last videos. But this is these are raised rubbers, so they last 40,000 miles, so pretty much the duration of the tires. So yeah, that's it. Catch you guys in the next one.